it has been a little rough because I got absolutely traumatized by 3 bugs that wanted to enter from the window at the same time, and usually my boyfriend is getting rid of them, but this time I had to face it. I took my blow dryer and then I wanted to like with the wind like push them away, but oh my goodness, it was a scandal. I ordered 3 pair of vagabond boots because I couldn't make a decision. We've got the first candidate. Look at this beauty, like what the actual heck? It looks so good. This is the highest heel. I don't want to be even taller, but I love them so much. The Bianca. I absolutely love the square toe. It's beautiful, but I prefer the other one. Why I also got these ones, so obviously in the end I will only choose one, but I love that the heels are so small but yet it still looks very elegant and it's like pointed toes. All the flat boots are very cute, but I also like it when it's elegant, and these are low, which I love. I mean, I kind of don't have a choice, but I made up my mind already. When I received them I was like, okay, it looks so good, it looks so expensive. We've got, how is it called? Textured leather, and this is like shiny leather. It just looks so good. I have cowboy boots, so I actually don't need boots, but I kind of need it because this is like short, so I can wear it with long pants, and my other boots, I don't wear it with long pants because it creates something weird. Okay, so these are 5.7 centimeters, the heels, and the square toe ones are 5 centimeters. So then I was like, okay, I literally prefer these. So if it's... the pigeons are making me go crazy! No! So I was saying, the square toe are also cute, but they're not my favorite. And one of the biggest reasons I would consider them is because they are looking kind of flat, but actually the heel is 5 centimeters because I think the platform is very thick. And these feel much higher, they look a bit higher, but actually they're just 7 millimeters more because this platform here is more flat, so my feet will be more like you know, like this. But the other one is like more flat, but it's also high, you know? You know what I mean? Today I'm gonna bring you to a little coffee date with me. I want to get out of my house and enjoy the sun. My mood is very good because of the weather. I already did my makeup. Today we go for something very simple because I've been putting on a lot of makeup lately, so I wanted to let my eyes breathe a bit. Quite funny when I just detached it. I feel very... Every time my hair is like clean and done, I feel very fresh. Okay, we've got watercolor, a drawing sketchbook. I like to have it protected in my little protection. I don't want it to get ruined in my bag. My iPad, pencil case with everything. Oh, and it's matching! I never realized that it's actually matching. And my iPad pen. I think we're good to go. I gotta put my sunglasses because it's quite sunny outside and it's absolutely amazing. Okay, wait, I gotta put on my coat. My favorite coat for the fall. I need a thicker one. I feel so ladylike with these boots. Wow. Every time in the streets, like, because these like this thing is always like on the floor when I walk, because sometimes I don't attach it and it just goes on the floor. And like every time there's someone saying, hey miss, your thing is like on the floor, and I have to like, ah. So now I will just attach it. Okay, the pigeon is... Whoa! Sorry for that. I'm just scaring them off because they're shitting on my balcony, and that's annoying. Today I have so many problems with animals. Also, they make a lot of babies and then they just like become a big gang on our balcony, which is super annoying. literally so pretty outside. I'm so happy that I just got off of the bus and then I saw this super pretty little abandoned train rail and it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I finally received my big wool coat package that I ordered. I've been searching for a wool coat since like weeks of research, weeks of trying out in stores. I know I have nothing that I liked, but I saw this one. Okay, that's so thin. Okay, the shoulders, okay. I think it's fitting. Could be longer. I could have taken XXL, but I would be scared that it would be too big. Okay, I think I like it. 100% wool on outside and 100% viscose, although it's quite thin though. Anyway, I gotta tell my bestie that I gotta show her. Aïe! Faut que je te montre.
Mais il est bien.
Mais meuf, il est grave bien en vrai.
Tu peux le faire. Ah non, mais il n'y a pas de truc qui.
Mais en fait, c'est ça que je kiffais de base, mais en vrai, je pense que si ça pouvait se fermer, ça pourrait aussi être cool.
Ouais, de ouf.
Mais après, meuf, il est fin comme je le pensais, genre, il est pas...
Meuf, il y a une type, quand tu fais comme ça, que la matière, elle a l'air pas lourde, tu vois.
Oui.
Est-ce que ça tient chaud?
Bah, je sais pas, meuf. J'ai pris en XL, donc c'est grand. Je peux mettre des couches en dessous, quoi, je pense.
Ouais.
So I just went back home from groceries and I bought a bunch of things for my tartetatin that I want to do. If you don't know what that is, it's a French apple tart. I don't know the English word, but I will show you. So after I cut all the apples, I'm also gonna cut some pears because I think it could be really nice and I saw that it's something that people do. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, now I finished to cut all the apples and I'm gonna make some caramel. So I never actually make caramel, but let me try it. So I just see that we just need a little bit of water. I just need to make it boil with some sugar. I'm a little bit scared. Let's see how it turns out. I'm pretty sure I put too much water. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, once it's done, I have to add butter. Much. Wow! Ooh! smells a little bit burnt, but okay, wait, I forgot if I have to. Let me check a TikTok recipe. So yes, I have to let a little bit of heat. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky! Wow, that's too much. And some cinnamon. It smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. No! Okay. The caramel is a little bit like becoming hard now. The pears, sort of recognize the pears, so I'll try to. Okay, I put all the apples and the pears. Now I'm just gonna put the puff pastry all over on top of it so that it's. No, I forgot the. I gotta put some cinnamon all over the apples because it's autumn and it's never enough cinnamon. Okay, I guess I can tear it and put it like... It's homemade, it's fine. Okay, this is gonna go in the oven for 200 degrees or 180 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, my cake is baking. I'm going to do some journaling because I need to journal what happened in the last week. I didn't really have so much time, so let's do it now. It's out and it's, I guess, looking great, and we're just gonna let it cool for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna flip it over and we'll see how it looks like.
The apples.
Wow!
Dang! That looks amazing. What did you do with the apples?
Well, that's risky. Looks great. Oh shit!
Perfect!
But there's blood.
No, babe, this is how it should be. This is amazing.
Blood.
No, it's
Wait, I'm scared.
Pepe, this is medium rare. It's perfect.
No, it's burnt on the edge
Yeah.
and raw in the inside.
That's how you want it. That's how you want a steak, Pepe. It's how you want a steak. You did perfect.
It's because it's super thick and chunky, so I couldn't do. Can you
That's
prepare
super nice.
2 plates for me? Taste it, taste it, taste it. Hola. Okay, it's fine.
These potatoes are the most amazing potatoes on earth. It's crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside.
It's absolutely amazing.
It's so good.
It's so good.
I'm shook. I didn't pre-cook the apple. I immediately put it in there.
Well done.
Tatin is very yummy.
One second, please.
Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more videos.